If you're encountering the cloud save error 2026 in Cyberpunk 2077, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official CD Projekt Red website or the social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes the problem may be on their end, and you may need to wait until the servers are back up. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Disable cloud saves temporarily. If the error persists, consider disabling cloud saves in the game settings. Play the game offline for a while, and once you have made progress, you can re-enable cloud saves and try to sync again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 in Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.